Okay, everyone, let's continue with Unit 4. Lesson 2, pages 96 to 102 in your Grammar Explorer textbook. So, last lesson we looked at pronouns. This lesson we will look at prepositions, specifically prepositions of time and prepositions of place and direction. But let's start with time, prepositions of time. Prepositions are usually part of a prepositional phrase. Remember, a phrase is a group of words. The object of the preposition is a noun or a noun phrase. For example, our train leaves in the morning. In the morning is the prepositional phrase, the group of words. In is the preposition. The morning is a noun phrase. So we take a preposition and a noun, put it together, prepositional phrase, in the morning. Many people live in California. In California is the prepositional phrase. So prepositions of time, obviously, tell us when something happens. So she took her vacation in the summer. So when? When did she take her vacation? In the summer. On Sunday, he slept late. So when did he sleep late? On Sunday. Now, at. We use at with clock times and with noon, night, and midnight. For example, in some countries, dinner begins at 9 o'clock. He goes out at night. She went to bed at midnight. Okay, so remember, use at with time and with the words noon, night, and midnight. In. We use in with periods of time, including parts of a day. So Sam leaves for work in the morning. In the morning is part of the day, just like in the afternoon and in the evening. We also use it with seasons. We usually take a vacation in the summer. So in the summer, in the winter, in the spring, in the fall, okay? Seasons are within. We also use it with months. So school starts in August or September. So if you ever use just a month, use in January, in February, in March, in April, in May, in June, July, August, September, October, November, December, always in. And years. So I was born in 1990, in 1991, in 1992, in 2001, in 2030. If you use a year, use in. And on. So use on with dates and days of the week. For example, my sister was born on July 27th. All right, if you use a date, meaning month and day, use on. Be careful though. If you don't say the day, it's only in. So my sister was born in July, but she was born on July 27th. And I'll see you on Sunday. So days of the week, we say on. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. There are some other prepositions of time. For example, for, from, to, until, and during. So we took lessons for 3 years. This tells us how long. How long did you take lessons? For 3 years. Stefan studies from 6 o'clock until 10 o'clock at night. Again, this tells us how long. From when did he start until when did he finish? And she likes to talk during class. Okay, tells us during class. When class is going in session, she likes to talk. Okay, now for prepositions of place and direction. So again, prepositions of place tell us where someone or something is. So the teaching, sorry, that should say the teacher. The teacher is standing near the window. So where is the teacher? Near the window. The parking lot is behind the restaurant. So where is the parking lot? Behind the restaurant. And let's meet outside the cafeteria. Where should we meet? Outside the cafeteria. So if it's a preposition of place, we use in to talk about when you're inside any kind of container. So put the book in a box. In, okay? I left the keys in the car. So they're in the car. Go in the house and get your shoes. Again, in the house. So inside somewhere. We also use in with names of countries, states, and cities. So he lives in China or in Armenia, in Syria, in California, in wherever. I was born in California. They work in Glendale. So for countries, states, and cities, use in. On. So use on to talk about a position on the surface of something. Okay. So put the book on the shelf. For example, behind me, on the shelf. I left the keys on the table. So again, here's the table, on the table. The dog is sleeping on the couch. Okay, he is on the couch. And we use on with the name of streets. So I live on Catalpa Street. The bank is on Grand Avenue. Okay, so when you give the street, use on. At. Use at to talk about a specific point and with addresses. So go left at the stop sign. So the stop sign is a, excuse me, specific point. So at the stop sign, turn. Or GCC is located at 1500 Verdugo Road. So this is an address we use at. Prepositions of direction now, they tell us which way someone is going or something is going. So we walked toward the post office. So the post office, we're going toward, in the direction of the post office. I drove from Santa Cruz to Los Angeles. I saw him between the gym and the administration buildings. Here are a few common phrases. So a few common phrases with prepositions do not have a, an, or the before the noun. Okay, so remember these. In the class, so I'm in the class. She's still in bed. They are not at home. We are not at school. He is at work. So with class, bed, home, school, work, we don't use the or a. It's always in class, in bed, at home, at work, at school. And finished. So thank you very much. You should do your classwork now and turn it in on Canvas. Thank you.